The Iono Jet. Easy to handle, high quality and revolutionary. Learn how to reach optimal results with the Iono Jet. The handpiece. In the preparation container you can insert the different concentrates suitable for all skin types or the special device cleanser. In the front area the nozzle is located. This is where the air with the enriched negative ions and the active ingredients are sprayed out. In the front area there is a set screw which is not adjustable. The amount of the outflowing air is regulated there. The trigger has two settings. If you pull it lightly, you only work with air. If you pull the trigger a little harder, the air will be enriched by negative ions and the selected active ingredients. In the back of the handpiece you can see another set screw. Here you can regulate the amount of preparation intake. Weigand's Haircare Cosmetics recommends the least consumption of the active ingredients. A fine mist allows a particularly intensive penetration of the concentrates into the skin. For cleaning the handpiece, unscrew the rear screw cap. Now you can see one more set screw. Open it and remove the included needle from the handpiece. The needle can be cleaned carefully with a soft cloth. Please insert the needle back into the handpiece until you feel a slight resistance. Pull the trigger about 1/3 and close the adjusting screw again. This guarantees an optimal setting of the handpiece. Please put the screw cap back on. The Iono Jet can now be used again. For a successful treatment it is important to maintain the handpiece in a neat condition. Learn more about the Iono Jet in the following steps. There are 5 active ingredients for the different skin types and a special device cleanser. The ampules need to be inserted in the silver container on top. Inside the container there are 2 needles. While the larger needle carries the active ingredients into the handpiece, the smaller needle serves to determine the amount of air. If you unscrew the container from the handpiece for cleaning, make sure that the small white sealing ring is always present when putting it back on. Now gently screw on the container. The tip of the handpiece serves an accelerator for the exciting product as well as the enriched air. The lower set screw, which is already fixed, determines the escaping amount of air. Don't forget to open the ampoule before inserting into the handpiece. Gently lift the lid and fold it back and forth several times until it breaks off. It is important that the silvering around the ampoule head is always available. Please make sure to put the ampoule straight into the container. Apply light pressure on it and push the concentrate down as much as possible. To check if you have chosen the right amount of preparation, take a paper towel and start using the Iono Jet on it. In this way you can quickly figure out the right amount. Here the amount of the concentrate is too high. If necessary, reduce the supply with the rear adjusting screw. A fine mist allows optimal treatment results. If you're not sure about the correct amount, you can also do a self-test on the back of your hand. The setting is perfect when the preparation is barely visible and does not appear wet. If you use the Iono Jet several times a day, a one-time cleaning in the evening will be enough. With a low usage of 1 to 2 times, we recommend to clean the handpiece immediately after the treatment. Please only use the device cleanser from Weigand's. The ampoule is opened as the regular concentrate. Insert the device cleanser into the container. Now open the rear adjusting screw completely and pull the trigger of the handpiece. Empty the complete product out of the ampoule. Be careful not to inhale the device cleanser. Please remove the ampoule and empty the handpiece completely by pulling the trigger again. Difference through perfection. Weigand's Haircare Cosmetics, more than beauty.